Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel where I'm going to show you how to draw this adorable hognose snake. Now this is a very specific breed of snake called a hognose, and it's true, I have one of my own and they're very adorable. They have cute little pig nose faces, which is where they get their name from, and they're rather small and harmless, and they're kind of like have thick sausage-like bodies. So I hope you enjoy this video and follow along with me, and let's get started. Okay, so to draw this very adorable hognose snake, or as they're known in the community, danger noodles, which is kind of an ironic way of calling a snake that's pretty harmless and rather tiny. I'm going to start with the head, and we're going to start with the nose. And the nose on a hognose is very special because it helps dig through soil. They're not climbers, they're diggers. So I will start with a little upside down U here. And I'm going to follow that through in a curved line. And I'm going to finish off with a curve at the top over there. I'm going to stop here and work a little bit more on this side. So this is again, this is the curved signature nose of the hognose snake, where it gets its name from. And then I'm going to find close to the point, but not quite touching. I'm going to draw a line here, and I'm going to draw like a big curve because they almost look like they're smiling because their mouth curves that much in. And then over here towards the middle of this, I'm going to put like a little hole, a little dot. They have a cute little hole that comes out where their tongue comes out. And then at the bottom, I'm going to draw a curved line that basically mimics pretty much this line up here. Okay, now before I draw the eyes or the tongue, I'm gonna finish off how the neck moves. I'm gonna take this line and I'm gonna follow it down. Now, another thing about hognose snakes is that they are short and thick, unlike some other kind of longer, more elegant looking snakes. So they have a rather thick body and very, very smooth. So now that I did a little bit of the body here, I'm just gonna go back in and paint and do the tongue, which just looks just like any other snake tongue. So it's got like a little split. Okay, and then I'm going to draw big eyes. Now, interesting thing about hognoses too, they have round eyes, not slits, because they are a snake that is both day and nighttime active, depending on their mood, really. So snakes that have daytime are round slit eyes. Snakes that are more nighttime have slits. Then they also have little nostrils. I'm going to put in a little nostril right there. Okay, I'm going to finish that off like that. Okay, now for the body, again, they are snakes that are rather thick. They're kind of like sausages. I'm going to slowly follow the curve I already drew. And then I'm going to imagine that it's sort of curving in on itself. Okay. A little loop. And then imagining this curve here comes out from the bottom. A nice curve for the bottom part. So as the body of the snake gets towards the tip of the tail, it gets thinner. And and thinner. Okay, there is my danger noodle. Every other detail from here on out, I'm going to use, I have this like black Sharpie here, so I'm going to use a darker gray. I'm going to use like a gray color in order to add more detail, like the pattern. It has a very interesting pattern. If you ever want to look it up, I would recommend it. So to add the scales, it has scales that kind of go up like these. As well as like that. Kind of looks like eyelashes a little bit. And then it has some interesting kind of stripy patterns. There are many different colors of hognose snakes. There's white ones. There's ones that are like orangey red. And the very simple kind are just very simple kind of brown. I'm going to choose a darker gray because they have black bellies. Belly scales are darker usually. Okay, and there you have it. Here is my very simple hognose snake, one of my favorite types of snakes. If you have any suggestions for snakes that you would like to see me draw, please feel free to drop a comment and I'll see if I could do that for you. Otherwise, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe and stay tuned for more content from my channel. And I'm hoping to show you how to draw a bunch more stuff, varied and interesting. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.